Hey guys, we are camping down here in Jamestown, Virginia, and I realized I never really got to give you guys the final tour of the camper. So I think I'm going to do that now. Um, so this is a 5x8 camper trailer that I have been building myself in my garage, and I really like it. This is our fourth camping trip with it. Um, the box itself is 5x8, and the reason why I chose to do this instead of a teardrop is because I felt like this was easy to build, especially the back galley where the teardrop is shaped almost like has a curve, but this one is just a square, so it's much easier to build. I probably won't have a lot of problems with leaks in the future. Um, yeah, so let's start from the back. And at the back, I have this door opens up, and those are the stickers from the parks that we have camped so far. And here I have the lotion and bug repellent and all that stuff. I have hand soap. Um, Up there we have plates and utensils, tea, some spices, and down here I have the cooler. The reason why I chose to have this instead of a 12-volt fridge is first because of the cost, but also when we have gone camping we only go for 2 or 3 days, and so this works just fine. Has all our food stuff, and you can see there's still ice in it. Even though this is our second day, it stays pretty cold. And then here we have some cooking pots and first aid kit, some water, and then down here we have the battery. This is a 100 amps 12-volt battery. That's the charger, some fuse box panels there, and then you have down there, I don't know if you can see a well, but it's a little bit dark. Let me turn on the light. Yep, down there is the main turn off turn on switch. So if you want to cut off the power for the whole trailer, that's where you do it. And you can see there's a light up there with a switch, and I like this organizing boxes because they just keep everything from sliding out when you are going down the road. And same with this little thing that I added here, this will not come off, so it's just there secure. And then coming this way, this is where you connect your 110 plug right there, and you have some lights for outside. The frame of the trailer is an aluminum trailer from Harbor Freight, and the tires and the wheels that come with it are not rated for highway use, so I had to upgrade that. This is rated for 81 miles an hour, so it's pretty good for the highway. We have 2 doors on each side. I'll show you when we get inside. Then up there is the max air fan That's a 10 speed. Then down here you have the spare wheel, 2-inch coupler, and that's your 4-pin connection to the car. And then up there you have the awning. This is the Iron Man 4x4 awning. The size is 8x8, and I really like it because it basically doubles your space, so you have more space while you are camping. And comes with screen doors, and there's doors on 3 sides. So the awning is there, you can see, and then you just buy the separate annex room for it. And then this strip light normally goes on the inside, but we have been using it just out here while we are camping. And I have this cable that comes from the power, and that's what we've been using to heat our water. So yeah, it looks really good. I like this awning a lot, and the annex room. When we come here, you can see they have almost like a doormat, like a tent mat, and we can go inside. It has enough room there. So this is where my daughter and I actually slept last night. As you can see, we have space for some sleeping area, some of our stuff. We have a heater, space heater, and then we have space actually where we can actually put, you know, the stuff, our bags and all that. And so this awning is pretty good. It has a bag screen, and then it has the door that goes out. That's another door there, and that's another entry. And then up here you actually have places where you can store the towels and all that stuff. I have a window on one side. I'm not very happy with this window, especially the sill here, so I'm most likely going to change that window before I sell this camper, because I'm already building a bigger one now that we have a son, so 2 kids, and my wife and I feel like we're gonna need more room unless we continue to basically sleep out here. So on the side too, you have the light, and this one you can turn it on in while you are inside the camper or outside the camper. And then I really like these doors. Basically they have the window here, and then when you open, they have a bag screen. So they have a bag screen here, and then this you just open, and that's the inside. So you see the lights, and then that's the fan there. And then I love this wallpaper, and yeah, the bed here is actually very comfortable. This is a trifold mattress, and then I don't think you can see very well down there, but that's a peel and stick towels, peel and stick floor. And then down there you have some place to put, up there you have some place to put the books, and voila, there you have another one. And this is your control, the remote control, so you can just turn on and it open up, and basically it's a 10 speed. You can set the temperature that you want. It tells you what the room temperature is, and this has a rain sensor. So if it starts raining outside and you are not here, it'll basically close itself so that water does not come in. And up there in the corner, that's your control panel. You can see the voltage of your battery. You have the USB chargers, place to charge with the USB, and then it has all the switches, and those are the switches to the interior lights and the exterior lights too. Yeah, I'm 6'1" and I fit comfortably in this bed. It's pretty big. I think two adults and a small child will sleep there. That's where my wife and I used to sleep before we have our son will sleep there with our daughter. But now I think I need bigger space if we are gonna sleep in. So I'm currently building a second one that's gonna have a queen size bed and 2 bunk beds. Yeah, so that's all the inside tour. I forgot to put this back. I'll just test there so you don't come looking for it when you need it and you can't find it. And for the bathroom, we just use this privacy tent, and it's pretty cool. It has a porta potty there and a camper potty, and you can do all your business there. It flashes, and then it has like a tank at the bottom, and then you can empty that before you leave the camp. And then for the meals, we have this Coleman's propane stove. I really like this. For the 4 times we have camped, we've only used like 1.5 of this, so it's very easy. You just connect it there. It has 2 burners, and once you're done, you can just fold it, and it's easy to store. It doesn't take much space. And I think that's all. The camper, I think, was probably like, I would say maybe 1100 or less, but it's very nice. On the inside, when the mattress folds, basically you almost have like a utility trailer, and you can load all your gear, all your bags, all the stuff that you want to go camping. And yeah, let me know what you think, and if you have questions, let me know. And actually, it's pretty easy to tell. I just saw it with a raffle, and I don't even notice it's back there when I'm going down the road. All right, thank you guys.